What's up, YouTube gang? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I just want to show you how to make a guitar beat like this one. In this beat, all I did was to start with the keys that I shared on my Telegram. You can go and download them. Then I added reverb and EQ. Then I added the cello. I just copied and pasted. Then I also same thing, reverb and EQ. Then after I added the nylon guitar as my counter melody, and then I had to slide the guitar. I'm gonna show you everything, and make sure you subscribe, comment, not forgetting that I added the 808 and the kick. And yeah, man, just a simple beat in flstudiomobile. So let's get it, bruh. First thing first that I did in this beat, I started with the key. Question, I use the major scale, and it's C major scale, so it's C major ninth chord. Yeah, man, it's funny how this chord progression, you can name them and all that stuff. Then yeah, a second thing that I added on this beat was this cello. I just copy and pasted, and oh man, this cello sounds good, and it just correspond with everything, and it gave me a good melody for this beat. Then I added the nylon guitar as my counter melody. So this nylon guitar, the only thing that stand out in this nylon guitar is the fact that I increased the slide here so that you can slide the guitar. I'll show you right now. You can slide the guitar and make it sounds different and cool, you know. Last but not least, I added the 808 and the kick, and it's pretty much the whole beat, man. Shout out to everybody new to the channel. Shout out to everybody making beats out there. Shout out to everybody subscribing, commenting on this channel, and liking and sharing on my videos. Thank you for watching, man. Let me get straight to make another beat. So I'm out.